Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Chevrolet Camaro ZR1 and this is by Siku. Honestly, this looks absolutely beautiful. I really wanted to unbox this for so long. And again, I bought this in Malaysia, not in India. So comes somewhere around 450 rupees or so. So honestly, it is really worth it compared to buying other brands like Hot Wheels or anything in that range. So let me just take this out. Okay. So the cover doesn't have anything else apart from the other specification and all, the licensing details and everything. Okay, let me just put this aside for a minute. Okay, so as of now, let me just close this one. So out of the box, the first impressions of this casting, this looks really beautiful. And I mean, this is how you are supposed to do a moving part casting. So again, the only thing which I really want Seiko to change is the rim sets, because they are mostly common for like 90% of the castings. It's like they have only two set of rims, and they use that for one set for 50% and another set for another 50%. So it feels like that. Maybe I'm wrong, I'm not sure. Okay, so it has headlight details which is painted on. Logo placement is really nice, and this size really suit this particular size of this particular casting. So you have this grill details here. It is not 100% painted on. I mean, it is a little bit embossed on top of that they painted on it, which is really nice. And I don't see any paint issues so far. Let me just, I don't know. So there is something inside the glass. I don't know if it is a dust or something. So the windshield and everything looks good. I don't see any scratches on the front side, but back side a little bit. Not much, but a little bit. So it has tail light details as well. You can see the number plate here. It is specific to Siku's. Okay, the spoiler is actually plastic. Body is fully metal. Even the top, everything is metal. So the hood here, this part, and this is actually a part of the engine. So that is plastic, and the chassis is plastic. Tires are rubber. And as usual, one of the awesome details in this, in Siku castings, the car's specification: 755 horsepower, 550 kilowatts, 341 kilometers per hour, and rest other things as well. And that is really awesome if you ask me. Okay, let's let's open it. I really love opening hood in this way, instead of the traditional way. Okay, so you can see the hood here. Let me just try to put it in this side, maybe closer to camera a little bit. So that is really nice. It does have some good detailing here, even though it is a bit hard to see, but it is really good. I mean, I'm really wishing that these brands come back to India. So in India, these were actually sold under the name of Reliance, because whatever good thing comes, Reliance will take that over. So either it's Siku or it's I think there's one more brand which I really loved the most, and they even put RMZ, and even some action figures back then. Whatever comes under Fun School and all, they will change it to Reliance's name, and they will sell that one. They will bump up the price a little bit, and they will sell. Okay, so this casting is a little bit heavy. So let's see how much this one weighs. I'm hoping somewhere around 42 to 43 grams. So let's see. Okay, 48 grams. That is really awesome. Okay, so this one has a rear view mirror as well, the standard type of rear view mirror. And I don't know if this will fit the track. No, this is not fitting the track. So this only for this kind of cars, I don't know how I will be able to do roll test. Okay, I'm just pushing it a little bit, but I don't see any. Let me zoom in a little bit. Maybe you guys can see it clearly. Okay, I don't see much of a wheel wobble. Maybe in rear wheel, it has a little bit of wobble, but not much. It is really good casting if you ask me. So this is supposed to be the air intake, but They're just painted, but overall the casting looks absolutely beautiful if you ask me. And for like somewhere around 350 to 400 rupees, these are like really beautiful, and you can easily place it inside a showcase, and this is going to look really radical. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.